Next, what is meant by thermodynamic system? See, that's the reason why I ask you many times, if all of you and adutane ippudu don't wait until I erase the entire content. Try to remind me before itself once if I catch the duster in my hand. Okay, thermodynamic system. So now let us understand what is meant by thermodynamic system. Thermodynamic system means it is some part of the universe. If you are having if you take universe into consideration, thermodynamic system is a part of the universe where the thermodynamic concepts are studied with direct observations. With direct observation means you will be studying the thermodynamic concepts with respect to some keen observations or keen observation. That is called as a thermodynamic system. Let me put it one example here. Let me consider here the room in which right now you are sitting and listening this lecture. Let this be the room in which you are right now sitting and listening this particular lecture. And let me assume that your room is having one window and the window is open now. Window is open. Once the window is open, what happens here? Once the window is open, we know that the air will be flowing in and flowing out of your particular room. The air from the outside will flows into the room, and also the air from the room will be flowing out of the room. So now what is actually happening? There is some kind of exchanging of your matter is taking place. We know that gas, air is nothing else but air is a form of gas. So now here, once the air is entering into the room and from the room it is going out of the room, we say that exchanging of matter is taking place. So now this exchanging of matter is nothing else but we have studied, it is called as in thermodynamics. So now once if I consider this room, if the exchanging of matter is taking place, we call some thermodynamic concepts are happening here, some thermodynamic applications are happening here. So that kind of smallest area in a universe where the thermodynamic concepts are being studied with keen observation into that particular small area, that is called as a system. So now this is a system, this part is a system. The system will be always having a boundary. The system will be, thermodynamic system will be always having a boundary. So this part we call as a boundary, and then the area surrounding this one, which I can denote it as with this different color. So this one I can call it as an surroundings. This is called as a surrounding, this is called as surrounding, and this is called as a boundary of the system. And this one is called as a thermodynamic system. So thermodynamic system is what ma? Thermodynamic system is a part of the universe where the thermodynamic applications are studied directly with keen observations. So this particular region we call it as a thermodynamic system. So now what does the thermodynamic system has? The thermodynamic system will be having, I have given an example that air is flowing into your room. If air is flowing into a room, what does it mean? The air is nothing else but it's a gaseous state of matter. So now a large number of molecules and large number of atoms are present in your thermodynamic system. There will be a large number of atoms and large number of molecules in your thermodynamic system. So now this first one, in the thermodynamic system, there will be extremely large number of atoms and molecules. It will be having extremely large number of atoms and molecules. Then second one, this particular thermodynamic system is a boundarified area. It is confined to one particular area. This system is a confined area. Confined area means what? This thermodynamic system will be having some particular boundary. It will be having some particular boundary. Then third one, your thermodynamic system, the region around this one, the region around the thermodynamic system, we call it as a surrounding. if there is a surrounding and a thermodynamic system, then definitely what happens? Then definitely there will be an exchange of matter takes place. Exchange of matter takes place, and also exchange of heat energy, that is nothing else but energy takes place. So now see, let me consider in the summer days what happens. We know that as the air blows into our room, it is not only the air which is blowing into the room, but at the same time, along with the air, the hotness of that particular air is blowing. It means that there is some kind of radiation exchange. Once the hot air blows into the room, the cool air will be going out. It means that there is an exchange of energy. The hotness is entering and the cool temperature is going out. So it's an exchange of energy, and at the same time the air which is going into the room and also at the same time it will be coming out of the room. So at the same time, simultaneously, both the things are happening. Exchange of matter is taking place and also exchanging of energy is taking place. So this is the major property of thermodynamic system. A thermodynamic system, first it will be having a large number of molecules and also large number of atoms. Then secondly, it will be a confined area, it will be having some boundary, and this is called as a boundary. And then there will be some surrounding area. The area around this one, the area outside the system is called as an surrounding area. So now this is the main parameters of what is meant by thermodynamic system. I hope you understood what is meant by thermodynamic system.